Hey Laura, Laura, how you doing? This is Nick. I wanted to give you this screencast video to maybe help you go through what I'm looking at for setup for summer, and I think it'll make it much easier for you if I just go through this video. I did a couple changes on the syllabus, and if you want me to change anything, let me know. The major change I did was that you get 2 attempts on their quizzes. So I think this is going to make it a little bit easier for them. Not easier, but maybe more practice in that one attempt, and maybe get away from cheating as well. I've updated the due dates for you, so you know what to do there. Okay, here's all the due dates and whatnot. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to update the announcements, and all you need to do is update the announcements for Module 1. That's all you have to do right now. And if you want to update the whole course right now, that's great, but you don't have to. So now what you want to do is you want to go to the quizzes. So you know how to update the discussion boards. You know what's going on there. So you want to go to the quiz. Let me show you how to do this. First, let's go to Edit Test Options. This is quiz number 1, and I'll do the first one for you right here. Multiple attempts. Click 2. Give them the highest grade out of those 2 attempts. Let's set the due date. Let's see if I'm right. I know this course starts then. I think it's that day. I think it's that day. That's right. Okay, now go. So you set the due date. You know how to do that. Now here's where we have to change this around. After submission, let them see all of their answers. So that's all you have to do. After submission, click all of these right here. Click randomize questions. That set up then. Okay? So let me show you what we need to do. Now you need to go to edit test and we're going to set it up. Now the first thing you want to do, let's delete all these questions. Let me make sure I have a question set in here. Let me just make, yep, we're good. Is that in there? It's confusing. Okay, we're good. Let me see what the first quiz number 1's on though. Look at this mess here. Quiz number 1, course name, micro, I think, I hope. Quiz number 1 on chapter 2. So first thing you want to do, Laura, is delete all the questions. So all you press is all, press delete. So that's done. Now go to reuse questions, create question set. Look for chapter 2. Don't do these special topics. Go to chapter 2 right here. Only click on it. You can do both if you want to. Okay? So you click on the test here. This is important, Laura. Trust me. Go over here and click on multiple choice. After you click on multiple choice, open all of these up. So show all. Now this is key, Laura. So now I have 200 showing right here. Just make sure that. That's all we need. So now, you see how what's in the pool? Test A, or Chapter 2A, Chapter 2B, all multiple choice. Click right here, Laura. This selects all of the questions. And we're not going to select, you don't have to go to the other page. You're just selecting 200 questions. That's good enough. Press Submit, Laura. Now, here's the key. You want to give them number of questions to display on their test, 25. How much is each question worth? 2. You see right here, Laura? Is there 25 questions? Yes. How much is it worth? 50. Done. So all I need you to do to set up the course, I need you to set up the quizzes this way that I just set up. I need you to set the due dates for the discussions right now, and the end dates, the start and end dates for the discussions right now, the start and end dates for the quizzes. Let me type this out here. Start/end date for discussions, start/end date for announcements, end dates for quizzes. So make sure all quizzes are open now so they can complete it. Delete questions on quizzes. Add questions display 25, 2 points each. Add number of temps, so change that. Dates. Allow them to see all of their answers right now. So this is what I need you to do to set up the course. So let me just review. On the quizzes, I delete all the questions first. Then I add 25 questions that they're going to display, 2 points each. That gives 2550. So we're done there. Click on this, edit test option. 2 attempts, highest grade, set the timer for 60 minutes, put the end date, and right here, after submission, give them all the answers, right here. Randomize, done. Laura, you've done a very good job this term. I've had basically no questions at all about grading or anything. I really appreciate it, trust me. Let me know if you have any questions on this process, though.